Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall add-ons in Google Drive. Now, as you know guys, there are add-ons that you can install in Canva so that you can utilize them, and you'll be able to right click and open with and choose, for example, Canva or whatever other, let's say, add-ons that you have available or tools that's going to enhance your experience. But let's say you want to uninstall a particular add-ons. How do you find them to uninstall them? And I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do guys is just simple click the plus to get add-ons on the right hand side here, and you will see that it opens up the marketplace here. And in order to uninstall the app, you can do this two way. You can search for the particular app, which that will take let's say that will be a little bit more tricky if you don't know or don't remember all the apps that you have. So if, for example, I want to uninstall some photo editor or Canva or something like that, I can simply type in photo because I remember something, and I can click on this one as an example, and I can uninstall this by simply clicking uninstall. Right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to uninstall the app. So this is one way. If you know the app that you want to uninstall, you can search for it really quick. But this is not the most efficient way, right? So the best way is to simply click the gear on the upper right hand side, this settings here, and it's going to show you manage apps. So click on that, and this is going to show you all your apps that you have installed. And from here, you can easily go ahead and uninstall them. So you have the option here to click the three dot on the upper right hand side, and it's going to give you the option to uninstall it, or you can simply go ahead and click on that app, and you have the option to uninstall just the same. So both ways, click the three dots, uninstall, and yeah, you can do the other way by opening it up and uninstall like I showed you in the first example. And yeah, that's it guys. That's how to go ahead and uninstall add-ons in Google Drive. Very easy and very simple.